fifth graders. So today we are going to start looking at Think Central. It is a different part where math where we're going to go and we are going to do our quick quizzes and we are going to do our tests on there. So we are going to get you all set up on that today. So we have our Google Classroom right here. Tomorrow when you click on classwork, it's going to say Friday Math Unit 1 Quick Quiz. You're going to click on that, and when it drops down, there's going to be a link that you're going to click on that says Think Central. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. When you get there, you're going to fill in this information. You're going to fill out Wisconsin, Manitowoc Public School District, Jefferson Elementary. I would recommend clicking Remember My School. And then you are going to go to the other part that is where you get your password and username. So each of you on here has a username and password. I'm going to use Logan's right here. So thank you, Logan. And all of you have the same password. It is think. So I'm going to go back to my page and I'm going to click and type my username. And then I'm going to type think as my password and I'm going to log in. When you get there, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. You are going to click things to do. And then, look at that. Quick Quiz 1, Unit 6. You are going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to say this is the date today, but you're going to be doing it tomorrow on Friday, April 17th. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to have to type a password. Our password is Jefferson. And you're going to hit continue. It's going to give you some questions that you are going to, or some things you're going to need to know, the next back button, all that good stuff, just like when we take a normal test. So I'm not going to start Logan's tests today, but that is what it's going to look like when you get there. Things to do, and then you're going to get Quick Quiz Unit 1. When you are done with that, then you are going to go into the math, and I'm going to use today's math as an example. And I'm going to not do that. I'm going to click View Assignment, and then I'm going to mark it as done. You only can mark your quick quiz as done if you've actually done it, guys, okay? You can't just mark it as done because you feel like it. So make sure you work really hard on that quick quiz. That is the only homework that you have today for math. Okay, work really hard. I hope you guys rock it. Good luck.